You good?
Yep.
Hey everybody, Blue from Blue Outside here. Introduce my daughter. We're gonna call her Trail Finder. We're going out in the woods today and I'm gonna teach her a new skill. Stay with us. Hey everybody, so for this video, we're gonna be making char cloth. And in order to make char cloth, you're gonna need a knife or another object that will poke a hole inside of the tin. Obviously a tin. My preferred one is an empty Altoids tin. I'll go with that here in a minute. You're going to need a fire starter of some sort. Obviously make a fire, which we're going to show you here in a second. We're going to need something to use as a hammer or a mallet, whatever you want to call it. And then we need a fabric. You want like a natural fibrous material. I prefer blue jean material. So what I did is I just got the blue jean material and I cut them into roughly 2 to 3 inch squares. Okay, we're going to pack them inside the tin. We're going to go from there. So just stay with us. All right, so we're here with Trail Finder. She's going to be a little giggly monkey because that's what they do. I'm going to teach her to make char cloth today. So what I'm going to have her do is grab her knife and she's going to hammer a hole with the mallet and just barely tap it to get it to go in. Should probably hit it a little bit harder. Make that hole just a little bit bigger. Alright, there we go. So what we're going to do is that'll let the gases release when we put that on the fire. Okay, so the next thing she's going to need to do now is take your, we're done with that, you can keep it or throw it away. We'll set it right there for next time. She's going to take the blue jean material and pack it into the tin. So she'll get as much of that in there as possible. Is it full? Okay. There we go. Okay, close it up.
Wait.
Set it right there.
Now?
Yeah, just set it on there. Don't throw it on there, set it on there. There we go. Now that'll start to cook, and what will happen is that hole will begin to smoke and shoot out a flame.
Whoa.
Yep. Now we just wait.
It's blue.
Yep. So what you need to do now is
Yank it off there? I'm gonna burn myself.
just push it off with a stick.
Okay.
Just push it over to the side. There we go. There you go. Let it cool off. Char cloth, and we're going to test a piece out.
No.
Yep.
Hello everybody, we finished our char cloth and now we're about to test it out.
Lighting out here is horrible because it's getting dark. Yep.
Okay. So
We have
let's
to close that up and get it out of the way.
try this.
Use the flashlight and see if that works. Oh, you got it. And what you would do is just blow on that and put your cotton round on it, or put it in your bird's nest and blow it into a flame. I wouldn't hold that down with your ferro rod.
Well,
That's okay. Grab another piece out.
okay.
And what we'll do is do it real slow. Hold on.
Blow on it real slow.
Yeah. We'll hold it down with a stick and see if you can blow it into a flame.
Okay.
It's only going to take a little bit because it'll catch almost immediately. You have to throw a little bit more of a. There, see? Now hold it down with that stick and blow on it, see if you can blow it into a flame. Watch your hair. But anyways, you see how that would work if you had a cotton round in there or a flash tinder or something?
Yeah.
Yep. All right. I think you're good.